Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Troubleshooting no module named error in AWS Lambda Python functions. Introduction. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that allows you to run your code without provisioning or managing servers. When working with Python in AWS Lambda, you may encounter the no module named error, indicating that the required module is not available. This tutorial will guide you through troubleshooting and resolving this issue. Step 1. Verify dependencies. Before deploying your Lambda function, ensure that all required dependencies are listed in your deployment package. If you are using external libraries or modules, they must be included in the deployment package. Example. Let's say you have a Lambda function that uses the requests library. Your project structure should look like this. Make sure to include all necessary files, and don't forget to include the __init__.py file in each subdirectory to make it a Python package. Step 2. Package your Lambda function. To package your Lambda function along with its dependencies, create a zip archive containing all necessary files and directories. Ensure that the zip file structure mirrors your local project structure. Example, using AWS CLI. Step 3. Deploy your Lambda function. Upload the zip archive containing your Lambda function and its dependencies to AWS Lambda. You can do this through the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or any other deployment method you prefer. Example, AWS CLI. Step 4. Check Lambda execution logs. If the error persists, check the Lambda function's execution logs for more details. The logs may provide information about which module or file is causing the no module named error. Example, AWS CLI. Step 5. Update Lambda function or layer. Depending on the issue, you may need to update your Lambda function code or use an AWS Lambda layer to include the missing module. Example, AWS CLI, update function code. Example, AWS CLI, add layer. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve the no module named error in AWS Lambda Python functions. Ensure that your deployment package includes all necessary dependencies and keep an eye on the execution logs for additional insights into any issues. ChatGPT.